I hope all of you read the question as I said to you yesterday in the last class. Today we will move to the calculation, right? We will do this calculation in Excel sheet. Can you see the Excel sheet? Can you see? Okay. Now we will start. Mr. Kunasekara is a senior management of a large mercantile organization. He has given his primary employment, right? They are talking about primary employment declaration to this organization. In addition, he serves as a director of a subsidiary company of the group. So he have two way of employment. First, primary employment, that is mercantile organization, and he's working as a director to another company, subsidiary of the company. Primary employment as well as secondary employment. The following information has been provided for the year of assessment 2018-19. The important thing is we have to note year of assessment 2018-19 to calculate his assessable income. First, we have to put the title, Stepanusekara, calculation of income, assessable income, right? Income for the year of assessment 18-19, right? 18-19. Right, income from employment. And here, right, he is entitled to a monthly salary of 120,000, of which the company and Mr. Gunasekara contribute 12, 8 respectively to the employee provident fund. Right. Now, how much is monthly salary? Everybody should unmute your mic and you have to discuss. We will discuss it. How much is monthly salary? $120,000. Right, monthly salary is 120,000. There are two components. EPF employer contribution 12%, employee contribution 8%. We have to take total or net or gross amount. Which will we have to take? Either we have to take 120,000 or after deducting 8%, or so what amount?
Total amount.
Total amount mean how much?
120,000.
Yes, good. Salary, right? Salary is 120,000. This is the salary for month or annual. Is that monthly salary or annual salary?
Monthly salary.
Monthly salary. So therefore, we are doing calculation for right. We are doing calculation for the year. Therefore, we have to multiply this value into 12. Right. Monthly 120. Therefore, this value into 12 months. Then we will get 144,000. Salary. Then what about EPF, ETF contribution? EPF by the company, employer how much? EPF, employee contribution, 12% of 12%, right? Then 14,400. So what is the, whether we have to include the calculation or not? Yesterday we have discussed about it. Right? It is not taxable, right? Not taxable. No need to include the calculation, right? It's exempt tax, exempt, not taxable, right? We not include this value for calculation, right? Salary, okay. Then in addition, he receives an entertainment allowance for of 15,000 per month, right? Entertainment allowance per month, 15,000, 15,000 per month. Therefore, how much per year? 12 into 180,000 is entertainment allowance, and the bonus equivalent to 3 months salary bonus, right? Bonus equivalent to 3 months salary. 1 month, how much? 12,000. It's equal to 3 months salary, isn't it? 3 months salary. And how much? 36,000. 20, right? And further, bonus equivalent to 3 months salary from the profit for the year 2017-18. Whether we have to include to the calculation or not, this bonus he receives equivalent to 3 months salary. 1 month salary is 120,000, 3 months salary 360,000. But this bonus coming from the year of assessment 2017-18. So my question is whether we have to include this 360,000 for the calculation or not for this year. This year of assessment is 18-19. Should include or not? The bonus come from previous year profit. We have to include. Hello? Right, sorry for the interruption. Right, the bonus we have to take into the calculation because the bonus we consider on case basis, right? At the time of receive the payment, then only we have to realize as income, right? As income, then we have to include that, right? We have to include bonus, right? This is on case basis, right? Case basis, so therefore we have to include. And Leave encashment paid during the year of husband 36,000. Leave encashment is a income, right? Leave encashment 36,000. And right. And he has been provided with an 1800 cc car, right? He has been provided with 1800 cc. So how much we had to go for first row or second row? Engine capacity is not more than 800, more than 1800. So we have whether which table, first row or second row, we have to consider. First row or second row?
First row.
First row, good. First row, right? We have to deal with the first row, right? He has been provided with 1800 cc for his official and private use with fuel and driver. This is important. Fuel and driver. So he include car. He is enjoying the car, vehicle, fuel, and driver. So therefore, we have to consider those three and vehicle benefit. Under this, he will get car 1800 cc. For that, how much? For car, 20,000. And a driver, how much driver? 10,000. And fuel, how much? 20,000. Then how much total? Total 50,000. This 50,000 for the year or month? For the month or year? 50,000 for the month. Therefore, we have to take annual value. So therefore, 600,000, right? And the following amount were reimbursed by the company during the year. Reimbursement. Reimbursement of food and lodging expenses on official visit. Official visit. His this visit, this expenditure, 42,000, incurred for his personal benefit or office purpose. This 42,000, he made expense 42,000 on behalf of the employer, right? He spent 42,000 and he has reimbursement of food and lodging expenses for official purpose. Therefore, it will not considered as a income. We can't treat as an income. Food, it is how much? 42,000. It is not income, right? Not income. Right? And reimbursement of health insurance expenses. Reimbursement of health insurance expenses. The benefit is available for all full-time employees in equal terms. There is no discrimination. Then does it benefit or not? Benefit or not? The 75,000, it's common for all. It is common for all. It is not a benefit. It is not a tax. How much? 72,000. But not taxable, not an income. Not income. Right? And his annual subscription to the Institute of Professional Managers, 25,000. Does it income or not? Annual subscription, 25,000. That income, right? So therefore, we have to include this income. That is 25,000 is income. And touring expenses of his daughter who was selected to represent national netball team. So it's income or not? The company has given an appreciation, grant, donation to his daughter. That is an income, right? So income. She has taken this price because of her father is an employee, right? Touring expenses, so income. How much? 125,000. And residential telephone bill. It's income or not? Telephone bill. It's income, right? How much? 60,000. How much we have to take here? How much we have to take? 50% of telephone bill. Then 50%. It is 30,000, right? It is 30,000. And he lives in a house provided by the company, taken on a monthly rent 20,000. He lives in the house provided by the company, taken on a monthly basis, monthly rental 20,000. Here, it's a rated area, unrated area. The information is not given. Such information is necessary or not for this movement? For this movement, rated or unrated area or estate bungalow is needed or not needed? Simply, we can understand from this question that the company doesn't have a own quarters. The company take a house from outside, third party, and they pay rent 20,000 on behalf of employee. So this is market value of that benefit. Since the market value of the benefit is given, therefore we don't need any other information regarding the housing rent, housing benefit. How much? 20,000 per month. 20,000 per month. Therefore, 20 into 12, 240,000. It's in market value, right? And the director's fee received from subsidiary company, which is his second employment income, was 216,000, and it is net of withholding tax. Net of withholding tax mean the 216,000 is the balancing figure after deducting withholding tax. Withholding tax. We have to include this value before deducting the withholding tax. How much the tax rate on second employment? Second employment tax rate, how much? Tax on second employment is if monthly salary is less than 50,000, tax at 10%. If monthly salary is exceed 50,000, uh, it's 20%. Right? We'll check. Uh, Second employment, 10%. We are going to get 20,000, 25,000. It's old, right? It's old one. We will check. If I think 50%, right? 50, below 50,000, 10%. Above 50,000, uh, above 50,000, 20%. We'll check. Right. Yeah. Right. You can see here. An employer, right, where the monthly payment to the employee is less than or equal to 50,000, uh, per month at 10%, where the monthly payment to the employee exceed 50,000 per month, 20,000. Right. My memory is correct. Right. And second employment. Second employment, net, how much? 216,000. 216,000. Uh, this 216,000 is a balancing figure after deducting uh, withholding tax. We have to take the figure before deducting the things. So we know that 216,000 per year. It's mean almost how much per month? How much per month? Above 50 or below 50 per month? Guess the answer. Below 50. So therefore, what is the rate? Rate is 10%, right? 10%. It means this 216,000 equal to 90%. 90%, right? Uh, Equal to 90%. Therefore, uh, second employment income is 240,000, right? 240,000. right? If you have any doubt, you can ask here. For example, 240, right? Deduct 10%. Then balance, take the balance minus, right? 216,000, right? And right, that's all. See the answer. Income from total income from payment. How much? Equal sum. How much? 3,276,000. Right? Check the answer. Yes. Assessable income from employment. Assessable income from employment is 3,276,000. Assessable income from employment. Right? Any questions? Any doubt? Any questions you can ask? Any unclear area? If one person asks question, yeah. Again explain how to get second employee income 240,000. Then can you explain second employment? Right. Second employment mean, right? So normally doctors, doctor, say consultant, right? Neurologist. He's working in a government hospital, right? He's full-time employment at a government hospital. The income coming from that hospital is primary income, right? And during the evening and the weekend, he's working at Navalaka Hospital, right? So Navalaka income from Navalaka Hospital is a secondary income, right? The according to the provisions of Inland Revenue Act states that if an employee get secondary income, secondary employment income, they should pay withholding tax to the department. The tax rate is 10%, 10% to those who are getting income, monthly income below 50,000 tax rate. If the person who is getting monthly salary 50,000 in secondary employment, their tax rate is 20%. According to this example, Mr. Gunasekara is working in uh, a, a big, large mercantile organization. Yeah, large mercantile organization. And additionally, in addition, he serves as a director of a subsidiary company of the group. Right? Senior manager is a primary employment, and director, secondary employment. Teachers, normally teachers, they are getting salary from a school, that is primary employment. If they are getting uh, income from their tuition, that is secondary employment. From that income, they have to pay 10% as a withholding tax to the department if their income is less than 50%. If more than 50,000, they have to pay 20%. Clear? Secondary employment. I will upload this handout to the previous one. I have used this handout for your senior batch. Right? Ah. Right? Clear? Any other doubt? Right. And then we will move to question number 2. Check the answer with this. Right. Example 2. Mr. Samaravira is a chartered accountant working for a bank since 2010. The following is the information relating to his employment income for the year of assessment 2018-19. The basic salary is 360,000 per month after deducting 10% to the provident fund. The employer contribution to this fund is 15%. The fund has been approved by CGIR. He is provided with motor vehicle which has been hired from a company paying 50,000 rupees per month. And fuel allowance is also paid amounting rupees 50,000 per month. Bonus paid on the year profit, and it is 1 month of the basic salary. So we had to find out the basic salary, right? And telephone allowance, not telephone bill, right? Telephone allowance is 8,000 per month. Leave encashment rupees 75,000. Entertainment allowance rupees 10,000. The residence provided to Mr. Samaravira is owned by the employer, and it is an rated area. The furniture also provided. This house is provided with furniture. His daughter was admitted to the private hospital, and the bill payment was 200,000, and it was settled by his employer from an insurance scheme which is applicable for all full-time employees on equal terms. Life insurance premium of rupees 10,000 per month is reimbursed by the employer. An option has been given to purchase 100 shares of the bank. However, this option can be exercised only after 1st of May 2020. See the date, right? 1st of May. Compute income tax to be paid for the year of assessment 2018-19. Can you do it? Everything we have discussed in the class. And I will give you 5 minutes time. Please go through the uh, question, and we will discuss it again, right? I will give you 5 minutes. right? So you got the idea? Shall we start? Summer Vikram, Summer Vikram, Summer Vira, Summer Vira, calculation of personal income for the year of assessment 2018-19, and we hit a table. Right, first salary. How much salary? Salary, basic salary 360,000 per month after deducting 10% to the provident fund. So after deducting 360 means this 360,000 equal to 90%, right? Then we will take 100% divided by 0.9 and we'll get 400,000. This 400,000 per month, and for the 12 months, how much? 12 months into 12, 4.8 million. And employer contribution to ETF, this moment, ETF, EPF, employer contribution, not taxable, right? Not exempt one at the moment is uh, uh, exempt, right? And he has provided with a car, with a motor vehicle, which has been hired from a company paying 50,000 per month. Market value is given directly. So car, vehicle, right? Vehicle benefit, vehicle allowance, 50,000. 50,000 per month for 12 months into 600,000. And fuel allowance is also paid, rupees 50,000. Fuel allowance also we have to include fuel. How much? 50,000. 50,000 into 12. To 600,000. and bonus paid based on the previous year profit, and it is 1 month basic salary. The basic salary is we have already calculated how much, 400,000, right? 400,000 bonus, 400,000. And telephone allowance 8,000 per month. Telephone allowance is 8,000 per month. This is not bill payment, it's an allowance. This 8,000 is paid with this salary. So therefore, we no need to deduct 50%, right? This 8,000 is paid by cash, not bill settlement, not a reimbursement, right? Telephone allowance is 8,000 per month, right? Telephone allowance 8,000 per month, 8,000, right? 8,000 into 6,000, and leave encashment 75,000 is a income. Leave encashment 75,000, and entertainment allowance is taxable 10,000 per month. Therefore, 120,000, right? And the residence provided to Mr. Samaravira is owned by the employer, right? This time, we don't know the market value of the benefit of the house. And it is in the rated area, the furniture has been provided. So we have to move to below 200 or above 200,000 is salary. We have to use this table, first table or second table. His salary is 400,000. It's above 300,000, 200,000. Therefore, we have to use this one. 12.5% of remuneration or 40,000. We take 40,000, right? We will take 40,000. And also, this house is provided with furniture, 2.5% of the remuneration or 5,000, whichever lower. So 5,000 most of the time is lower value. So therefore, we'll take housing benefit. Housing benefit for this, how much? Housing benefit is 40,000 per month. 40,000 a month. Therefore, into 12. 480,000. And the furniture, how much? 5,000 per month into 12. 60,000, right? And right, his daughter was admitted to the private hospital and bill was 200,000. It was set by his employer from an insurance scheme which is applicable to all full-time employees on equal basis. So therefore, we can't take this value as income, right? We can't take this value. What's that? Hospital, private hospital bill, right? Not income. Life insurance premium of rupees 10,000 per month is reimbursed by the employer. So in this case, no information is given whether it's common for all or individual. So we assume that again it's a life insurance, right? It's not a medical insurance. It's a personal insurance. He has paid 10,000 per month. This amount is reimbursed by the company. So it's exactly is an income, 10,000 per month. So therefore, 120,000, right? So life insurance, right? And an option has been given to purchase 1,000 shares of the bank. However, this option can be exercised only after 1st of May. It means it is not yet realized. Therefore, we can't take it into consider this year, right? Share option, no, not realized. Then that's all. How much? 7,351,000. Check the answer. Right. We have taken same answer. Any questions to ask? Any doubts? Any doubt? We can ask. Housing benefit, how to get. So one question is come, how to get, explain a housing benefit, how to get. Here, this example, meanwhile I have posted the attendance link. You can record your attendance through that link. Yeah, in this question, the residence provided to Mr. Samaravira, right? The house is given to them, to Samaravira, is owned by the employer. Employer means the company. Company has its own quarters. Therefore, the company no need to pay tax to third party, and therefore we unable to trace the market value of that benefit. So at the time, at this kind of circumstances, to find the value of that benefit, the government has issued a circular to calculate the benefit. So uh, that's what we yesterday we have discussed. I think, yeah, yesterday or the last class. Yeah, So you can refer this section. Right, the consumer, right, the Commissioner General has specified the value of the benefit by issuing a circular. It says that the value of any benefit of any place of residence provided by the employer should be the market value, or the value is specified by the circular. Where the market value is not accessible, ascertainable. Right, so there are first rule is we have to test whether his monthly income is above 200,000 or below 200,000. In this scenario, his salary is at 400,000, which means above 200,000. Therefore, we will use this table. Right? His area, his house situated in rated area. Therefore, we have taken 40,000. When we calculate 12.5% of 400,000, it will more than 40,000. Yeah, therefore, we take 40,000. Right? And the house is provided with furniture. Therefore, we will take 5,000 per month, and we have taken. Right. Another questions come. In this situation, employee didn't pay his insurance for employee. As employer pay his insurance. Yes. In this question, the employee, Mr. Samaravira, yeah, Samaravira, he has joined in life insurance, and this premium is paid by the employer. This insurance is common, not common for all. It's personal life insurance. So this bill payment, the premium payment done by Samaravira is reimbursed by the company. So therefore, it's considered as a benefit. A leave engagement. Sir, can you explain what is leave engagement? Leave engagement mean normally in yeah, employees are entitled to get a leave for government organization. I think 42, 21 casual, 21 medical, right? uh, they can, if they wish, they can take that leave and enjoy, right? To motivate employees not to take leave, companies pay for untaken, not enjoyed leave by the employees. If any employee are not used that leave, right, leave, the company give them a leave payment. Say for example, uh, in a day, yeah, daily wage is 2,000 for an employee. He can take 42 days leave in a year, right? But that employee not take all leaves. Say 10 days, he only 32 days only he utilized. 10 days is remain. So 10 into 2,000 per day, how much? 20,000. How he gets 20,000 is daily salary is 2,000. He's entitled to get leave all 42 days, but he has taken 32 days. 10 days remain. To motivate that employee to not to take all leaves, the company pays the uh, leave uh, cashman, leave engagement. The leave is converted into cash. Then any other questions? Okay, then you can record your attendance, and MS11 all the times is an issue, right? Okay. Any questions you can ask?